Somewhere on this planet, right now, a completely ordinary person is becoming a millionaire. Not a celebrity, not a genius, not someone born into wealth. Just a normal person. And the strange part is, they are doing it using a system that almost anyone could follow. Yet most people never do. Most people spend their entire lives chasing money without ever understanding how money truly works. They work harder. They work longer. They sacrifice their time and energy, but the result rarely changes. Bills keep coming. Stress keeps growing, and the dream of financial freedom slowly begins to feel impossible. But here is the truth that very few people are told. Millionaires are rarely created by luck. They are created by patterns. Patterns of thinking. Patterns of behavior. And most importantly, patterns of action. The difference between someone who stays financially stuck and someone who builds wealth is rarely intelligence. It is awareness. Because once you understand the rules of the financial game, everything begins to change. And the biggest secret is this. The path to becoming a millionaire does not start with money. It starts with perspective. From childhood, most people are trained to follow a very specific path. Study hard, get good grades, find a stable job, work for decades, and hopefully retire comfortably. This system has been repeated for generations, and for many people, it works well enough to survive. But survival is not wealth. The system was never designed to create millions of millionaires. It was designed to create workers, people who exchange their time for income. And as long as you exchange time for money, there will always be a limit to how much you can earn. Because time is limited. Every person on earth has the same 24 hours. If your income depends entirely on your time, your financial future will always have a ceiling. Millionaires understand something different. They build systems. Systems that generate income even when they are not physically working. And once this idea clicks in your mind, everything begins to shift. You stop asking one question: how can I work harder? And you start asking a much better one: how can I build something that works for me? But before that happens, almost every self-made millionaire goes through the same phase. The phase where they start from almost nothing. No special skills, no powerful connections, no big capital. Just a decision. A quiet decision that their life will not remain average forever. This moment rarely looks dramatic. There are no cameras, no applause, no celebration. Just a personal realization that the future depends on the actions taken today. And that is where the journey truly begins. At first, progress feels slow, sometimes painfully slow. When someone begins learning new skills or exploring opportunities, the rewards are rarely immediate. Days pass. Sometimes weeks, sometimes months, without obvious results. And this is exactly where most people quit. They assume it is not working. They start believing that success is meant for someone else. But the people who eventually succeed understand something important. The early phase is supposed to feel slow, because this is the phase where knowledge is being built. And knowledge is one of the most valuable financial assets anyone can possess. Today, information is no longer locked inside universities. Anyone with internet access can learn skills that were once available only to professionals. Skills that can generate income from anywhere in the world. Writing, design, video editing, digital marketing, programming, artificial intelligence tools. These are not just technical abilities. They are leverage. They allow a single individual to create value for thousands of people. And value is the true source of wealth. Money is simply a reflection of value. The more useful you become to others, the more opportunities begin to appear. But the first breakthrough is usually small. The first $100, maybe the first 1,000. That first payment changes something in your mind, not because of the amount, but because of what it proves. It proves that the system works. It proves that someone was willing to pay for the value you created. And suddenly a door opens in your mind. You realize that income is not limited to one employer. There are countless ways to create value in the world. And once that realization happens, curiosity begins to grow. You start experimenting, trying different approaches, learning from mistakes, improving your skills. At first, the income may still be inconsistent. Some months feel exciting, others feel disappointing. But every attempt adds experience. Every mistake teaches something new, and slowly, almost invisibly, momentum begins to build. This is the phase where persistence becomes more powerful than talent, because talent without consistency leads nowhere, while consistent effort, even from an average person, compounds over time. Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in the world. People often think about compounding only in terms of money, but it also applies to knowledge, skills, and reputation. If someone improves just a little every day, the difference after a year becomes extraordinary. The same principle applies to income. Small improvements in strategy, communication, and efficiency begin to multiply results. What once felt impossible slowly starts to feel achievable. And then comes another shift. The shift from earning money to multiplying money. This is where many people make a mistake. When income increases, they immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Better gadgets, better cars, better clothes. But many self-made millionaires choose a different path. Instead of upgrading their lifestyle immediately, they upgrade their assets. Tay Rainbest. They build systems that generate additional income. Online businesses, digital products, investments, automation. Each system becomes another stream of revenue, another engine quietly producing financial growth. Over time, those streams begin to merge into something powerful: financial independence. At T stays, the conversation about money changes completely. The goal is no longer simply earning more. The goal becomes freedom. Freedom to choose how time is spent. Freedom to explore ideas. Freedom to help others without constant financial pressure. But reaching this point requires patience, because the path to wealth rarely happens overnight. What people call sudden success is usually the result of years of invisible work, years of learning, years of experimenting, years of failure and improvement. The world usually notices success only at the end of the story, but the real story happens long before that moment. Late nights, early mornings, quiet rooms. Moments when quitting would have been easier, yet the journey continues. And eventually, something remarkable happens. The systems that once required constant attention begin running more smoothly. Processes become automated. Opportunities expand, and the person who once struggled to make their first dollar now manages businesses, assets, and investments. But the biggest transformation is internal, because wealth changes perspective. A person who once worried about monthly bills now thinks in terms of decades. Instead of asking how to survive the next month, they ask how to create impact over the next generation. And that is the real power of wealth. True success is not just about accumulation. It is about contribution. The most respected entrepreneurs understand that long-term success comes from helping others succeed. They create solutions, build platforms, share knowledge, and in doing so, they multiply their influence far beyond money. This is why the story of becoming a millionaire is not really about money. It is about transformation, a transformation of mindset. From limitation to possibility, from waiting for opportunity to creating opportunity. And perhaps the most important message in this entire journey is simple. You do not need to start with everything. You only need to start. No one begins with perfect confidence. No one begins with perfect knowledge. Every successful person once stood exactly where many people stand today. Uncertain, curious, wondering if change is possible. The difference is that they chose action instead of hesitation. They allowed themselves to be beginners. They accepted mistakes as part of the process, and they kept moving forward, even when progress felt invisible. Over time, those small steps formed a path, and that path led somewhere extraordinary. Because when you combine learning, persistence, and intelligent systems, the outcome becomes predictable. Growth, opportunity, and eventually, wealth. So the real question is not whether becoming a millionaire is possible. History has already answered that question thousands of times. The real question is something much more personal. Are you willing to follow the path long enough for the results to appear? Because the opportunity exists. The tools exist. The knowledge exists. The only missing element is the decision to begin. And somewhere in the world tonight, someone is making that decision. Someone who started with no special advantage. Someone who refused to believe that their financial future was already decided. Someone who understood that wealth is not reserved for the extraordinary. It is built by ordinary people who commit to extraordinary consistency. And the first step is always the same. Start learning. Start building. Start today. Start today.